Hi everyone, welcome to South Textile English YouTube channel. Today we will discuss regarding the yarn realization or recovery. You know regarding the realization or recovery, that means how much raw material you have issued and what is the outturn. That outturn percentage is called realization. Suppose 100 kgs of material you have issued for mixing and you got 85 kg of yarn, that means 85% is the realization. Realization depends on various things, just like usable waste, sellable waste, waste generation, and the quality of raw material also affect the realization. Ultimately, the workers, staff, awareness also need to avoid the low realization problem. Before we study the details of realization process, we should know what are the waste generated in spinning process, and that waste category. The waste category means two types of waste is there. One is usable or soft waste, that is used in the process, recycled again. Means that waste you can add on mixing to produce yarn. And another thing is sellable waste. That is, sellable waste is meant for sell outside. And you see, both are important for realization point of view. You see, soft waste, what things are there? Lap end. In left field blow room, there will be lap end or rejection lap, that is called soft waste. Carding, diaphragm, simplest comber, all slivers waste, that are called soft waste. Contamination, certain material, only cotton. Whenever we are taking contamination filter bag for sorting, you discard the contamination portion, the rest portion pure cotton, that is called soft waste. Lap ends, any combing process, lap farmer and comber laps, that is called soft waste. You see, roving waste, I have marked in green color ink, that is may be usable, may be sellable. Somewhere roving waste, they are processing in a machine called as roving opener, or that you can add on mixing. Somewhere roving waste is not using in the process, they are just sell it out, and for export unit they will not using the roving waste. For domestic use they will use roving waste. Whenever we add roving waste, there will be changes in IPI, just like IPI to be increased, CSP will down. That is not suitable for export use. You see, pneumophil fan waste, rim frame fan waste, that is used 100% in every material. Flat waste, to see, flat waste you can use fine count flat waste in coarse count. Suppose you are running 60 count, 80 count in a ring spinning, at that flat waste you can use up to 20 count. No problem is there. And roller banda means rim frame lapping, top roll lapping, that is called roller banda. And whenever you accumulate roller banda, that can be processed in step killer or roving opener to open the roller banda, and you can merge it in the mixing. These are the soft waste. Another thing, sellable waste, you see, blown carding droppings. That is maximum part of this waste. Lint is lesser side, and seed, stem, dust, these are higher side. That's why that is totally sellable. Somewhere in open-end plant, they are running 4 count, 6 count, 8 count. They can use this as a raw material also. Flat waste that is sellable, sometimes usable. That's why I have written in grilling. Micro dust that is filter bag in filter, that short fiber, very small micro fiber is there, that is sellable. And you see sweeping means floor cleaning. Sweeper accumulated the material and that is sellable. Filter dust, whenever we are cleaning, general cleaning the filter, there is huge amount of dust and they are collected, and sometimes we are throwing it to fill up the pits, because that dust is not sellable, or no one will take it. You can use to cover the fill up the pits in your mill area, unless you may burnt it in outside, you may fire it to dispose. Carding drophim simplex fly. These are short fibers extracted from the drafting zone or cutting zone, and that is sellable. And gutter waste, that return air the material dragging to the return air, that is cleaned after 4 to 5 days or 7 days, and that is weighed and sellable, making bells we are selling. Cucumber nail, see, cucumber nail also we can use in opulent process like a coarser count with the fresh material as a percentage. Ruby waste you see sellable and usable. Hard waste is totally sellable. Somewhere hard waste we can use also. If you have facility of garnetting process, you can cut the hard waste small pieces, then run on garnet machine. You will get a fiber from hard waste, and you can add some percentage with the fresh fiber to make one mixing. And you see, whenever you running fine count, suppose you are running 80 count, 100 count, that hard waste you can process on garnet machine, and you can use up to 20 count, 24 count, no problem is there. So these are the waste category, and you see all waste categories should be keep on a sharp eye, so that is generation will be lesser amount as minimum as possible to increase the realization. You see, points of realization affected things. Objective you say, yarn realization means how much yarn get from a raw material in percentage. Well, how much yarn we get from a raw material, you derive its percentage, that is called realization. It depends on raw material quality like trash, RD value, plus B value, strength, short fiber, moisture, etc. All the properties responsibility for realization. If your realization is more, then trash is less, RD is more, plus B value is good, and strength is good, short fiber less, and moisture required, not less, not more. These are responsible for realization. You see, as per the trash percentage, RD value, moisture, SFC, oil percentage, it affected. These are the 4 5 points totally responsible for the realization. Suppose we are processing one cotton 3% trash, and another cotton come with 7% trash. You don't expect 3% or 7% trash will provide you or give you same realization, because trash is more. Then we have to remove extra waste in bloom carding, and it will affect your realization. Regarding moisture, you know, moisture, suppose we have raw material in cotton 8% standard moisture. If you got the raw material, you purchase the raw material 11%, 12% moisture, then moisture will evaporate in the process. It will be vanished. Then it will, whenever it will be vanished, the extra moisture whenever vanished, then there will be a shortfall of realization. You should not accept the bale which have above 8.59% moisture. That is dangerous for realization. You always purchase the cotton by checking the moisture with standard moisture percentage. The sellable waste percentage also affect the real sellable waste percentage. Whenever it will increase, it will affect the realization. Controlling of waste may be usable or sellable. Both are important. I have told you earlier, controlling of these all waste is very important. If you will not control it, then realization will be downward position. It depends on whether domestic or export lot running. You see, whenever you are running export lot, then your waste percentage to remove on higher side. When you running domestic material, then waste percentage you can reduce to somewhat lesser side to maintain the realization. Whenever you running export material, realization will be less, but you will get the yarn price more. That is adjustable. Before issue bales for laydown, check individual bales moisture percentage and weight also. Because individual bale weight will take, then we can judge the realization percentage. Suppose we have purchased bale 6 months before, 1 year before, that bale weight was retail and the bale more, and after 6 months and 1 year that is dry and lesser the kg, matlab, means that weight is reduced. Then weight is reduced, we have to take that as a raw material, reduced weight, not a return weight. If we take the consider the return weight and return in 1 year before, that will hamper our realization. Individual bale must check moisture and weight, both are important. If moisture percent more, it will converted into invisible loss. If moisture percentage is more, it will converted into invisible loss, which is directly affect the realization. Robbing waste after process in robbing opener, you can use on mixing. That is, I have told you, robbing waste you can use on process after opening by robbing opener, and you can minimize the robbing waste percentage. Fine count flat weights also you can use in coarse count mixing. Fine count flat waste you can use on coarse count mixing. Maintain required RH percentage spinning set to avoid micro dust in process. Uh, Maintain required RH. RH percentage, if you will maintain, then fiber rupture will not done and will get realization better and better. Check waste percentage of bloom carding comber nail weekly and starting of the new lot. You see, whenever bloom carding a comber nail, we should check the waste percentage of bloom carding and comber nail weekly. Whenever we are taking any new lot, that time the same day or next day, you should check the waste percentage what is going. Accordingly, we will decide how much realization we can expect from this mixing. If your quality and also advanced sample you have to take, and you check the IPI level, CSP. If your CSP level, IPI level is very good, excellent, you can reduce waste percentage slightly on lesser side. If your quality is not coming as per our target, then we have to increase the waste percentage. The new law started within 2 days. It should be decided how much percentage of waste to keep on blow carding and comber nail also if combing process. Run precondition plant and air conditioning plant to add moisture or air. You see, whenever we are taking the autoconnect cone, that is always coming 5.5 to 6.2, yeah, 6.3 maximum moisture on the cone. At that stage, will keep the autoconal cone in a room where multiple number of Benson fan fogging system is there, and we may keep it 4 to 6 hours, sometimes 8 hours, to penetrate the water molecule inside the cone. After that, we can YCP, air conditioning plant, will put that cones on YCP to receive the moisture, to enhance the moisture percentage, and that will be increase the CSP and neutralize the twist variation in the air. So YCP, if you will run material through YCP, it will be better for us for quality point of view. Another thing, 150 CSP will increase roughly. Control second quality. Second quality means you see abnormal count, abnormal TPI, ring cut, low TPI, high TPI in the process, and a mix of material also. That is second quality. Second quality material will not counted as a fresh material, that is B grade material, and you should not make it hard waste, make it cone and keep aside. It will go, you can sell it on a lesser price, but do not make it hard waste. And you think is second quality must be zero in the process. Where is second quality more? That means your practice is bad practice there. Communication is communication error among the staffs, workers. That's why that is increased. In case of compact elite twist, reduce null percentage, blow carding waste percentage. Whenever you are running elite twist material, a compact spinning process, you may reduce blow carding waste percentage 1 to 2%, null percentage 2 to 4%, because in elite twist, in compact the N CSP, you can get more, and IPI you can get less. That stage you should come reduce the null percentage and blown cardiac waste percentage. It will help you to take the more realization. You see, one example I am giving, that is one standard cotton like Shankar 6 and V5. Blood cardiac waste, suppose we have taken 10%, filter waste, dust and micro dust, we have taken 0.8%, gutter waste and sweeping 1%, and fly up carding drop and simplest autoconvert, that is 0.1%. Comber nail, suppose 14 to 23% as per requirement, and hard waste 0.6%, invisible loss 0.5. You see, invisible loss, that is due to higher moisture, it will come. Sometimes dust particle more. Sometimes you are keeping dry in a department temporary dry, mother too high, fibers broken, rupture and made dust. And you see, 0.5 is taken for good cutter. It may be up to 0.8, 1%, even if 1.52%. Invisible loss, there is no standard. Okay. Hard waste 0.6, that depends upon the cuts position, autocorrect cuts to keep minimum. Then you can get the hardest percentage less. And ring prep, ring cut, low TPI, slab of material, that should be avoided to reduce the hard waste. Okay. If you add this waste, you will get 13. That means, so carded realization 100 minus 13, 87% for a good quality cotton. Whenever I have taken this quality cotton for 3% trash, whenever trash is 7%, it will practically reduce to 85%. Whenever trash is 10%, 8%, it will go for 82%. That depend upon the material quality. Okay, then you see in combed process, that 100 minus 13% for carded waste, minus Nile. Suppose we have taken 20% Nile, then 100 minus 13 minus 20, the realization will come 67%. A key point you listen and understand it. Use soft waste day to day properly. The soft waste should not accumulate in the department. If you will accumulate it, then your realization will be reduced. It should clear day by day. Do not accumulate it. Take a meeting of staffs and workers for awareness. You see, take a workers meeting to avoid these things. If you will not intimate worker staffs regarding low recovery or low realization, they will not try for higher side. That meeting should be taken continuously. It is a continuous process. Another thing, it affects the profit and loss if the realization not come as per the target. Suppose your management told you 87% will need the realization. You should keep watch on cotton quality. If cotton quality deteriorated means on the bad side, then the realization will be reduced. Before coming to bad side, you check the quality. If quality level not attending, then you have to increase the waste percentage. And that should be take the notice of top management. You cannot increase waste as per your own accord. You should ask top management that sir, quality parameter not attending, we have to increase somewhat waste percentage, and if they will allow, then do it. Okay, it completely affects the profit loss of the spinning unit. And this is the video I am completing regarding realization. You implement these things in your process house. Thank you.